I'm Gus with SharperTek, and I'm here to demonstrate our new ultrasonic plastic welder. This is the new style with stepper motor, CNC controlled. In this example, we're going to try to weld this bin together with the hinge. So let me see if I can put this thing together. So what we're trying to weld here is the retaining bracket onto the bin itself. And you can see there's a gap here. So what I'm going to do is try to compress these together here and have a good weld. So I'll set it at probably 3 seconds weld, 3 seconds hold time. And that should be good enough to hold this together. So what I'm going to do is go into the settings, and I will put 3 seconds, and the hold time is 2 seconds. That should be good. And here we go. So as you can see here, we welded it from here, and we have a really good weld here where we welded it, and this is not going anywhere. So that's it. And this weld here, we can see the ultrasonics pulled 220 watts, and we were running at about 20 kilohertz.